Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button right away and become part of the amazing family. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make some lovely cheese croquettes or cheese balls with just two main ingredients. Yes, it's that simple. So come along and let's get right into it. So for these cheese croquettes, we are obviously going to be needing some cheese, and I'm using some store-bought grated cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. You can buy your cheese and grate it yourself as well. So I add my grated cheese into a bowl, but you must use the cheese that you would like to eat on its own because that is going to be your main flavor. Next, I'm going to crack one egg into a bowl and add it to my cheese. But if you are sure that your egg is very fresh, you can crack it straight away into your cheese. So the next step is not the most appetizing look you have ever seen, but it is very necessary. We are going to knead our cheese. And I know kneading the cheese sounds a bit ridiculous, but you are going to mash it, squeeze it, and bring it together just like this. Into fitu cheese need them fitu pan. Alternatively, you can also use your hand mixer or your stand mixer for this, but it took me just about 5 minutes to do this by hand. So when a smooth ball like this is formed, your kneading is done. So now with my clean hands, I'm going to form the ball. So I put a little bit of all-purpose flour in my palms so it doesn't stick. And I scoop some of the kneaded cheese into my palm and roll it to get this beautiful ball. I then dip the ball into the all-purpose flour and then transfer it onto my plate. So you just want to coat your cheese with the flour. So now all you do is to repeat the same process until all your cheese is used up. So you take some of the cheese, roll it in your palm, dip it in your all-purpose flour and set it on your plate. If you can, try to make the balls the same size so they cook evenly in the next step. I'm eyeballing this, but you can use like a teaspoon or a tablespoon to scoop the cheese so that you have the same sizes. But if they are not, well, that is the beauty of home cooking. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm going to roll my last ball, dip it into my flour, shake off the excess and add it to the already rolled balls. And we are ready for the next step. Next, I'm going to heat up some oil for deep frying whilst I do a little cleanup. And as soon as my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to drop in my balls. Now allow the balls to cook until they are evenly browned and golden, and then scoop them out of the oil. Now just look at this. Just look at these balls. They are looking so beautiful and golden. Drain it on a paper towel and then add more of the balls into the oil. For the second batch, you may need to turn down your heat slightly so that your cheese balls will take their time to brown and become golden as well. You want your cheese balls to be perfectly golden just like these. I mean, they even look like the African party donuts. Don't you think so? And they are equally delicious too. I hope you try this simple and easy recipe because you will love it. And your children are going to love it even more. So now that we are done frying, I'm sure you want to see how it looks like on the inside. So here we go. So cheesy, so gooey, so yummy. This is truly amazing. You can go ahead and serve this with your favorite sauce, your ketchup, your mustard, any sauce of choice will do. These are so yummy and addictive, and I tell you, before I could say jack, they were all gone. That is how delicious this is. So the next time you are looking for a very delicious snack to serve your guests with, or for your movie nights, or just something to snack on, I hope you try this easy and simple cheese croquettes or cheese balls. I know this is a recipe you are going to be making over and over again. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment, a share, and subscribe. And if you have already done that, I want to say a very big thank you to you for coming back always. I truly appreciate the love and the support you have been giving me on this channel. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook these cheese balls with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.